Welcome to my brand new tutorial, guys. In today's video I'm excited to share a very interesting good news for you guys of how to make money. Only play game and make money, no depositing required, nothing, only your experience of playing the game, you will make money. So guys, as I said, we are going to dive into the tutorial, but before that, kindly smash notification, the like button, subscribe, so that anytime I drop a new video, YouTube will let you know. So guys, if you subscribe, that's what gives me energy, boost me to drop another tutorial of how to make money. If you are a amount of people that want to make money with online hustling with zero naira, this channel is for you. So do well and subscribe, press notification bell. Anytime I drop a new video, YouTube will notify you. Before that, I'm going to drop the registration link in my video description, and I will drop my group link, Telegram link and WhatsApp link in my in my video description. So guys, make sure once something come like this, join hand together and make money together. But I'm going to advise you, if you register, kindly do well and follow all of those channels and the group, so that mostly if I have a new update, I mostly drop it there, and it's not everything that I'll be coming and be making video with. If it's not something to make video, I'll just type it and post it there. But if you are not there, so guys, let me like for example, let me tell you something. You see, if you come across a video like this when they say it's free and join the group, make sure you join the group. The reason why you are joining the group is that so that when you register, if the platform when that you register has an information for you, the person that refer you, that's your mentor, he will get the information, then he will now send it to the group. He can't be coming and be posting small information that did not supposed to be post and make a video and post. No, things are not done like that. So guys, if they say you should follow the channel, or as in join the community link, kindly do well and join, so that anytime interesting information come, you people will be notified. That's the main reason of having the group. Yes, so I even have a group chat, that's the Telegram group chat. So still I'll drop it here, so that if you have any thought, you have anything, you have any questions about any of my video that you have registered, you are having any small challenges, just text it there. I will be replying you shortly. So guys, let's dive into the tutorial. This is the platform that is called this Backfight. Okay, this is the platform. So guys, we are going to start and see how it works. So this is how the platform look like. You will just play a game, and the game is very simple. When you reach the minimum withdrawal, you can withdraw. The minimum withdrawal is about from 25,000 upwards. So let me use my Google account. You can sign up with Facebook account or Google account. So I prefer using Google account. Yes, that one is because if you do with your Facebook account, if you lose your Facebook account, all the access will be gone. So it's better you use Gmail, because the Gmail is very hard for you to lose it. Yes, you write your Gmail in an important book and keep it somewhere. Even if it is you lose your book, yes, you understand, even if it is you lose your phone, you have it somewhere. You can, when you buy a new phone, you can register and continue using it. That's the main reason of having the Gmails, and Gmail is very important. Yes, so guys, let's dive in. I advise you to use Gmail. Yes, but if you prefer the Facebook, use it, but me, I prefer the Gmail because I know why I'm saying that. Yes, okay guys, so do well, subscribe, smash the notification bell. Anytime I drop a new video, YouTube will notify you. If you guys do like that, that's how we are getting moral to find a online hustle. Yes, so that's how we are getting more. We are now going to play now. Let it load and finish. After, we now go and play the game. Okay guys, we're now going to start playing the game, so that you guys will see how the game is. Show you grab. So let's dive into the game playing. So this is how you play the game. As you can see here, you'll be running running life. You see, you'll be running for your life, shooting them, running for your life, shooting them. That's how you'll be doing. So skipping, because I'm doing the recording, that's why it's skipping. You will see running. That's how you'll be doing. As you can see here, that's how you'll be doing. When you reach there, when you are done, you see the level is done. Okay, you are done with the level now. Okay, so you click on receive and click on I know. As you can see, so we are done with that level. Yes, so this your main balance here. When you come, they will give you this 515. So if you have any invitation code, you paste it here, like any invitation ID. Enter invitation ID. Me, I have used the link, so no need of me putting any invitation ID. Fill in the invitation code and you will immediately receive the fill in the invitation, blah 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 blah. So as you can see, this is how it is. If you have any invitation ID, any ID, like for example, if you register with my link, no need of you putting this one. Yes, so but I'm going to leave my ID in the video description and the referral link. Anyone you choose among the two, you can use it. It's all the same. Yeah, so guys, make sure you are doing the right thing at the right time. Don't come and be saying the time is not much, there's not much time, you don't have time for this. No, this platform is paying. Yes, like it's paying massively. You see, very soon I want to show you the withdrawal menu. Yeah, but I don't know why this thing is. Yeah, I'm going to show you the withdrawal menu. Yes, let's wait a little bit. Let's Okay, as I said, I'm going to show you the withdrawal menu. But as I said earlier, make sure you follow my channels and my community group so that any information I will let you know there from the group, because the platform is new. So if something is new like this, it pays well. So let's come here where you see that 150. As you can see, the withdrawal amount 23,000, 47,000, 49,000, 79,000. Sorry, you can withdraw to your bank, to your local bank account. You can see PayPal, bank transfer. So anyone you choose, you can withdraw. So let's come to the withdrawal rules. Withdrawal can be made within the amount is reached. There is no limit on the number of withdrawal per day. So even if it is you reach the 23,000 naira 7 times in a day, you can withdraw it. The withdrawal time is between 1 minute and 24 hours. If there is no problem, it will be handled within 3 working days. So if there is a problem, sorry, that's if there is a problem, it can be take 3 days. But if there is no problem, within 24 hours. But they just wrote it, but I'm very sure it will not even reach 1 day, the money will come. So if you want to invite somebody, you see here where you see this here, as check where that white thing is shaking, click on invite. So as you can see here, see the invitation rules. If your friend passes the level 5, the 5 level, you will get 150 and 3,100 naira. If your friend passed the level 10, you will get 150 and 3,010 naira. If your friend passed level 15, you will get 150. So this is how the reward is. The reward per level up to 10 times. So as you can see here, reward per level, that's up to 10 times the reward. See my invitation ID here. If you are interested, you can use the ID, you understand, so that you get this 31k 150. Yes, this one you are seeing So that's, you get that 31k 150 if you use the invitation code. But when you started, they will give you 1.5. Yes, you see it here. If you get the invitation code, it has Spain and will they have different features in the platform. So anyone you choose, you can, this one is like advertisement. Let's check it and see. They have different feature, but the app is still congrats, free money. I hear your welcome bonus. So click on it. So as you can see, you are going to spend on it. You are seeing, scratch it. When you scratch it, okay, no, this one is an advertisement. If I could guess well, this is, they are another platform, but we are not sure of this one, because the other one is the one we are sure about. Yes, as you can see, this one is an advertisement. Yeah, so just ignore that one. Make sure you ignore it and do the necessary one. So guys, if you are just coming across my video, I'm by name Legit Update. I bring legit update about many money making platform. Yes, that is free with zero investment. So guys, kindly do a subscribe, share, press the notification bell, share the video to your friends, share the group link to your friends, so that they will join anytime a new update is around. They will be notified. Thank you.